What is a new law change that affects our driving here in Virginia? Hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to cover a new law change that may affect your driving, or at least something that you need to know about. And that is what is considered reckless driving here in Virginia. So it used to be that any driving or any speed excessive of 80 miles an hour was considered reckless driving by speed. So there's other types of reckless driving, but this is, I'm just going to talk to you about reckless driving by speed. The law has changed to increase that threshold of 80 to 85. So if you have a speed limit of 70 miles an hour on the interstate, for example, and you're going 81 in the old law before it changed, that was considered reckless driving. Now, 70 miles an hour, if you're going 84 miles an hour, then you're okay. That's not considered reckless driving. That's just speeding. So that helps us a little bit on interstate travel, either going 65 miles an hour, or the speed limit is 65 miles an hour or 70 miles an hour. However, that has not changed. This new law change has not changed the 20 mile an hour over the posted speed limit. So for example, if the posted speed limit is 45 miles an hour and you're going 66 miles an hour, that is considered reckless driving, and you can get a ticket for that. So that hasn't changed, only the 85. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you don't go 85, as 85 is pretty darn speedy. Our cars these days are much better technologically and being able to drive it and maneuver them. However, please, 80 miles an hour is speedy enough. Not that I'm suggesting you go 80 miles an hour, but I am concerned, just as a personal editorial, that 85 is going to contribute to more wrecks, but we'll see. I hope it doesn't. And I hope this law change doesn't encourage people to go and push that limit of 85 miles an hour. Anyway, please be safe. Abide by the speed limit, and please just be paying attention to your driving. I don't want to see you here as a result of somebody else's reckless driving or not paying attention to their driving. Anyway, sorry I went into that. I see so many people hurt, and this kind of change in the law is concerning to me. That's just being frankly honest. Just be safe, and if there's anything I can do for you all, any questions that I can ask, please, as always, call me, Bettina Altizer Law.